Guys, it's your girl Classic Royalty and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been MIA since Valentine's Day, but a lot has happened. Your girl is about to be, oh wow. So if you guys want to know what's going on, your girl is getting married in 51 days. August 1st, 2025, I will be getting married to my best friend, Mr. Walker himself. But if you guys want that story, I'll save that for another video. But if you guys want to know the story, leave it below in the comments and let me know what you want to know. Guys, so as you guys can see from the video, this will be my first video on the garments that I will be creating for my wedding. Yes, I am creating my own wedding dress, but I will be showing you guys my custom made bridal robe. It is super cute, super elegant, simple, and why not make one? Okay guys, so as you guys can see, right behind me is my very own custom made bridal robe. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys what I used to create this look, and it's very much easy. I was definitely gonna buy one because I have a lot going on right now with creating my own wedding dress, my own reception dress, and just buying things for the wedding in general. And I was gonna buy one, but why am I buying one for $300 when this only cost me $50? Like, let's get into the details and let's go. So as you guys can see from the video, this is my bridal robe. It is pure white or diamond white, and this is what I chose to create just for my pictures when I take photos with my bridal party. So let's get a little bit closer. I use your regular bolt of tulle, of white tulle. It is only one layer. As you guys can see, it is definitely one layer. If you guys can see that, it is one layer. And I use my basic bodice pattern for the top half and the back. And I also just took some regular tulle for the wide base at the bottom. I just gathered it here at the waistline to measure the waist measurement. Now for me, I tried it on already. I should have brought this waist up a little bit more to about here, but it's fine because once you put it on and you tie it together, it won't even matter. But overall, this is just your regular white tulle. I gathered at the waist all the way around for the waist seam to match the waist seam of the bodice. Now, this part, I did a little different than your normal bridal gowns. Most people do the bridal gowns with the ruffles going all the way around and back up. I was like, you know what, let's incorporate both. So I chose to do the ruffles going all the way around, and then I also chose the ruffles to go top to bottom. And I left some space open because once you have this on and you put this around your waist and you put the belt on and all that stuff, you're not even gonna see all this empty space. And I'm only gonna have this on literally for about 15 minutes, and that's it. So for me to put in so much work and to cover it full of ruffle makes no sense. So I took my ruffle, I took my bolt, I cut it into fours, and one of the four bolts, I just gathered the tulle going all the way down. Let's get closer if I can. I just gathered the ruffle all the way down myself by hand, and I literally just placed it here and just sewed everything all the way down and all the way around. Here's a better view. So I literally just sewed, but as you guys can see, it don't have to be perfect because you're gonna wear it literally for a couple of minutes and just take it off. Again, these are only for pictures, and to give the robe a bit more of a nice feel or more of a vintage feel, I added some pearls here. So these pearls were hand placed. I used my tweezers to add the pearls on. And again, this is only one layer, so working with tulle, please be very, very gentle because I already have a hole in it right here. You really can't see it, but once I actually put it on and it gets scrunched up and I wear it, you're not gonna see it. So please be careful because my nail went right through the tulle and it's right in front, but again, you're not gonna see it. It's right here. It's right there, if you guys can see that. But again, I used the pearls, and then this part, I really wanted to do a sleeve, like a nice bell sleeve on this side, but I did not have enough tulle to make the sleeve, and I did not feel like ordering anything else. So my mother was like, why don't you just put like 2 puffs on the shoulders, which I did. So I made a ruffle, and this ruffle here, I took it together, made it really tight, and I brought it together, and I took extra piece of the regular tulle and I wrapped it around the center to make like a bow, and then I hand stitched it onto this part underneath. And this is super cute. Like, it's definitely cute. I don't see too many bridal robes where there's a puff on the shoulder and a puff on the shoulder, so this is something I definitely wanted to do. And plus, I'm tiny and I'm small, so I didn't want anything so over dramatic. And then underneath this, I'm going to wear a white silk spaghetti strap silk mini dress underneath this. So yeah, you don't really want too much. I really could have added more pearls, but I chose not to. But this is my bridal robe, y'all, and it's very long. It may not look long or fluffy at all on camera, but mind you, I'm 4'11" and I'm tiny, and this is a lot for one girl. This is a lot for me, but it is super cute, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take it off the mannequin just so you can see how it flows and how it fits on me. Like I said, very big. It's big. See, when you have it up the mannequin, it's a lot happening. And like I said, be very gentle. So this is my bridal robe, y'all. And also, I didn't want to go bigger than this because all of this is in your ear and in your face. So, but yeah, this is super cute. And then I also have like the belt that's gonna go around my waist part here. And again, I have on a silk dress underneath, and I'm gonna be sitting. I'm gonna have all of this fabric in front of me. This is super cute. It's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. This is very simple. Very much easy. I hope this video helped you with creating your very own custom-made robe. I wish you guys can see the bottom. So this is how the ruffles look on my shoulders. This is how the pearls look on me. And it is a lot of tulle. It is a lot of tulle, but overall, I hope this video did help you to want to create your very own bridal robe, or help you start a new business on creating custom-made bridal robes, because moving forward, it is a thing. It is a thing. And for my wedding, I have 3 changes. Actually, I have 4. So I have 4 changes. So I will be wearing something while I'm getting my makeup done. I will be changing into the robe. I will be changing into my wedding dress and my reception dress. So in total, I have 4 looks. 4. So this is just one of them, and I'm not scared to show this. This is not a surprise at all. It's just something I wanted to show you guys, because for those of you who are getting married very soon, 25, 26, 27, 28, you can make this yourself. It takes nothing but a sewing machine, some tulle, some pearls. I was gonna also add some rhinestones, but the rhinestones for me, for my wedding, made it look a little bit more prom-like, and I didn't want that. So this video helped you with creating your very own bridal robe.